Welcome student. Welcome student. In previous lecture, we near about to complete the first lesson. Okay. Uh, Let us complete this lesson, and which the remaining part meridian of longitude. Uh, Let us read and having the explanation of this last point. That is, you will realize that lines drawn from point A, B, and C make angle to M. Here is okay. This is and this is okay. The A, B, and C makes angle at M. A, B, and C makes an angle at M. Okay, here. Here makes angle. Okay. The center of the earth on the plane of the equator. The meaning of this sentence is here is the this is the plane. Okay, this is the plane, equator plane of the earth's crust. Through this point we can draw a semicircle joining both poles. We can draw a semicircle, okay, joining both poles. So here is semicircle. This is one semicircle, okay, and another is here. Here is another semicircle like this, okay. Starting with the point A, we can draw a semicircle through the points placed at each degree. Okay, from here we can draw here This is the median. 1, 2, then such a type of degree we can have in 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40, and such come up to here a straight line from meridian, and we are going to draw here up to 90 degree. Okay, again another this come up to flat surface. Here 180 degree, 180 degree. Okay, starting with the point A, we can draw a similar semicircle through the point placed at each degree. Thus, these semicircles are known as a prime meridian. Okay, is known as a meridians of longitude. The distance between any two adjacent parallels are 111 kilometer. So this is important point. 100 kilometer surface on the earth. The distance between the two adjacent meridian is about 111 kilometer on equator. To locate the place within this distance of 111 kilometer exactly, we need to divide the unit degree into smaller unit. Degrees are divided into minutes and the minutes into seconds. Conventionally, latitudes and longitudes are expressed in degrees, minutes and seconds. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and minutes into 60 seconds. These values are expressed by the symbol degrees, minutes and seconds. Okay, here is the total gratitude shown. This is the Greenwich line. The distance between this are 111 kilometer. Okay, so this is the 0. This latitude is a 10. This is 20, 30, here 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70. All these are shown in the part here. Okay. India also developed its own navigational system, that is Indian regional. This is IRNSS, Indian regional navigation satellite system. Through locating any place in the Indian subcontinent is going to be easy. For this, India is launching its own series of satellites, 7 satellites. This will be possible because it locates and any place in the region of the South Asia and Indian Ocean precisely. Okay, so India also developed this its own navigation system, which has a major effect on the South Asian countries and the Hind Mahasagar. So we can also didn't depend on the other countries for the navigation. Okay. So the map also developed by the ISRO is called as a Bhavan. Here is called Bhuvan, and the global positioning system of USA, that is called as a GPS, and geographical information system, that is called a GIS. Okay, the whole world is using this type of navigation system, which the knowledge to navigate, having the knowledge of GIS and GPS, one must know this type of gratitude, that is the latitudes and longitudes and its degrees. Okay, and its calculations of degrees, minutes and seconds. Okay, so here student, we completed this lesson. Let us you have to complete this exercise, and we will check this exercise. Okay, there are A, B, C. The work for you is to find correct gratitude of the following and pull it against it. Okay, so this is the exercise you have to complete at the home, and send me a photograph on my personal number. If you have any difficulty, you can welcome. Okay.